The capillary network that originates from the renal arteries supplies the nephron with blood that needs to be filtered, that is, the blood from where the nitrogenous waste and the other waste product has to be secreted out or filtered out, is supplied into the neurons, into the nephrons, or more specifically into the Bowman's capsule of the nephron. The branch that enters the glomerulus is called the afferent, afferent arteriole, and the branch that exits the glomerulus is called the efferent arteriole, efferent arteriole. Within the glomerulus, the network of the capillary is called the glomerular capillary bed. Once the efferent arteriole exits the glomerulus, it forms the peritubular capillary network, peritubular, peritubular capillary network, which surrounds and interacts with part of the renal tubule. The cortical nephron is also supplied with the peritubular capillary network, which surrounds the proximal convoluted tubule of the nephron as well as the distal convoluted tubule of the nephron. In juxtamedullary nephron, the peritubular capillary network around the loop of Henle and is called the vasa recta. So, in this diagram, one can very clearly see the first part or the anterior part of the nephron, which is the Malpighian body comprising of the Bowman's capsule as well as the glomerulus. The Malpighian body is a double-walled, cup-shaped blind opening in the cortex. It is about 1.2 millimeter in width. The two walls of the cup are called, the outer wall is called the parietal layer. It is made by the squamous epithelium, and the inner layer or the inner wall is called the visceral layer. It is made by special squamous cells called the podocyte. The body of the podocyte rests on feet-like process called pedicel. The individual leg have foot processes. As you can see in this diagram, the inner wall of the capsule is made by squamous cell called the podocyte. These podocytes, they have feet-like processes. These feet-like processes are called the pedicel. The gap between the foot process are in intimate contact with the pores in the endothelium of the blood capillaries through a permeable basement membrane. This is the diagram of Bowman's capsule.